Can you see him? Like, straight north from the corner.
Got 60 seconds, lads. And you're gonna make a move.
Even though he's laid down, he's dead.
Well, stop
You reckon that's a corpse?
Stop where you are. That gunfire just came into the left and hit the wall, so they're probably looking at you, Brian, through that fucking
There's a
window.
grenade. A grenade.
Yeah, it was a corpse.
We're gonna go for it, lads. We've got 30 seconds out the back door, I reckon. Head north.
There's round there, there. I got him, but I didn't get him down. I just injured him, though.
The grenade to keep fucking.
It was me.
Now there's a Molotov gone in.
That was me.
Oh, wait.
You're gonna have to go for it, lads.
Oh, fucking hell. One's down. And the other one. And two down. They're behind that rock.
Either get him, just fucking go for it.
Grenade!
Assault.
No, don't grenade.
Just go for it, right?
I am.
Hit one side, go left. Go right. Go right, get him.
Yes, baby!
Yes.